Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Very excited to be recording this video today. It's such a cold weather in here in the UK, and basically I've been indoors doing a lot of background work, working on a lot of projects, personal projects, client project, and all the sort of stuff. But this also includes my YouTube fans, which you are my subscribers and people that stumbled on my YouTube channel that are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm very excited to be here today, and I'm very excited to be sharing this with you today. So if you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will really encourage you to do that, because I'm going to be creating values. I'm going to be sharing values on this platform, on this my channel. This channel is something that is very personal to me. So I'm really putting in a lot of effort. So I want to bet you with you that you are going to be getting a lot of value on this channel. So today I'm going to show you what I'm showing you today is how you can create a Google Analytics account. I'm going to show you ways that you can create a Google Analytics account and install Google Analytics on your website. There are different ways to do that, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using Google Tag Manager. I'm going to be using Google Tag Manager to install Google Analytics on your website. So I'm using a fresh website because I have different websites already. You can see different analytics accounts that I have already. I have different Google Tag Manager accounts. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be creating a fresh Google Analytics account with a new website. And I'm going to be, in my previous video, if you are yet to watch that, I'm going to attach a link there for you to see it. So, in which I created a Google Tag Manager account. So I'm going to be linking all this together, and that is the essence of this video. So let's go into it right away. The first thing I need to do is you go into Google Analytics, just search on Google Analytics. We all know we are using the current Google Analytics we are using is Google Analytics 4. So you go into Google Analytics and you will be directed to how you can set it up, to an interface whereby you set up the Google Analytics 4. So for the sake of this video, I already have different accounts. So I'm just coming here because all you need to have a Google Analytics account is your Gmail. So I have my Gmail and I have different account that is attached to this Gmail already. So let me click on create account. You click on create account for you to create a new account. So let me use New Life UK. So New Life UK 1. So because I'm going to be having different accounts. So New Life UK 1. So can you see? It said with one email address, you can have up to 100 Google Analytics accounts. So I only just have one. I only just have 3. So I can still create 97 more. So the next thing you click on is next. So you click on, you give it, what's your property name? I want to give my property name New Life UK 1. This is my first website in the UK. I want my reporting time zone. I want to leave it in the US, and I want my currency. If you set up this currency is basically, if you are an e-commerce company, this basically means that your conversion, your revenue is going to be calculated in US dollars. So I'm okay with that. So the next thing, then you click on next. If you are okay with that, it said I'm a small business owner. Then you can tick all this. You can select the one you want to select, and if you want to tick all this, then it's fine. Just tick and that's it. you can tick everything and you can just choose the one you want to analyze online sales and blah 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 blah. Then you click on create. So you accept Google's terms and conditions here, and you click on accept. So with this, I've been able to create my Google Analytics account. Under my Google Analytics, can you see under my Google Analytics account, I've been able to create a property. So what I need to do next is to now connect that Google Analytics account and Google Analytics property that I've created to a website. That is why I'm seeing this here, start collecting data. To set up data collection for your website or app, choose for where you will be collecting data, the web, Android app, or iOS app. Next, you get instruction for adding that data collection tag to that source. So you can create Google Analytics account for a mobile app. You can create Google Analytics account and property to collect data for an iOS app. You can create for a web. So for the sake of this video, I'm creating it for a web. So, and the website I'm creating it for is a content management system called WordPress. So I'm going to choose this platform, web. So it's telling me I should put in my website. So I'm going to put new life store. So let me search for my website here. The website I want to use. This is the website. This is the website. I'm still going to access the back end of the website. So that is so I'm just going to wait a bit. The network is a bit slow. So let me copy the website. The reason why I opened this is because I'm supposed to show you the interface of the website. Then I will enter the website without HTTPS. So then let me just leave it this way. So leave this enhanced measurement for now. Enhanced measurement just means the automatic data you want Google to collect for you. Google, like this page view, Google will automatically collect page view for you. So, and you can't disable that. So you form tracking, video engagement, maybe you embed a video on your website and Google can automatically track that for you. But so for this kind of thing, if you want to track form interaction, Google can track form interaction automatically for you when you install Google Analytics. So if you want to create a custom event or custom conversion and you want to track them on your website, because you might not really be able to get accurate data from what Google is tracking for you automatically. You might want to define some things. So you really need to come in here and turn it off first and set up whatever you want to set up with Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager can achieve a lot for you in terms of tracking. So with this, I'm just going to create stream. I'm just going to create stream. I've added the website. Then the next thing I need to do is to just create stream. Once you click on create stream, you'll be able to create your stream that way. So can you look at what is there? Can you look at what you have there? Come. Can you look at what you have there? What you have here is saying you've been able to create stream. Stream is basically, like as I showed you, the way you want to is for you to collect data from Google Analytics. So There are different ways you can now with this. Your data have not started. Your website has not started collecting data because the Google Analytics tag or the Google Analytics code is not on your website yet. So your website has not already started collecting data. So what your website is current, what you've been able to achieve so far is for you to create an account. You've been able to create a property, a Google Analytics property. Then you've been able to define where you want to collect data, that the data you want to collect is from a website. It is not from an iOS app. It is not from an Android app. So once we've been able to define it, that is the reason why we are here. We now need to put that Google Analytics code to our website, since we've chosen that it is a website we want to use. For the sake of this video, I'm going to show you two ways you can put in Google Analytics on your website. You can put it through manually putting the Google Analytics code in your website. If you are using a WordPress website, you just edit the theme of your website, which I'm going to show you, and paste the code in there and save it. If you are working with a web developer and you are using, so let me show you, view tag instruction. The next thing you need to do is to view tag instruction. So they said install with a website builder. Install with a website builder or install manually. So this is it. Below the Google Tag account, copy and paste this code. So if you are installing it manually, the first step I want to show you is for you to install this code manually. So you are going to input this Google Analytics code in the head section of your website. So that is the first option of how you can put you can install Google Analytics on your website. So all you need to do is to copy this code. That is the first option for you. You copy this code. Once you copy this code, they said below is the Google tag for this account. Copy and paste this code of every page of your website immediately after the head element, and don't add more than one Google tag to each page. So all you need to do for this first option, after you copy this code, you go to the back end of your website. If you are using WordPress, you go to appearance, and you click on theme file editor. I'm showing you the first step you can use to put Google Analytics on the website. So you go to theme file editor. Once you go to theme file editor, you come to header.php. Yeah. Once you get to header.php, the instruction is that you should paste this code in the head section of your website. You paste this code in the head section of your website. So this is the head section. Can you see the open head here? So, and this is the closing of the head. This is the Google Tag Manager code on your website, but this one is for Google Analytics. So all you need to do is to put this code somewhere around here. Just paste this code somewhere around here and you click on update file. Definitely Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics is on your website like that. That's the first way. So they said you can use a website builder or a content management set to finish setup automatically, or install your tag manually. To ensure you get accurate measurement, make sure your tag is installed on every page. You don't need to start pasting the code on every page. Once you go to header.php and you paste this code before the close of the head section and you click on update file, then you are good to go. So another step I'm going to show you is using Google Tag Manager. So if we are using Google Tag Manager to install Google Analytics on a website, all you need to do, all you need is this your measurement ID for your web stream. So the essence of Google Tag Manager is for you not to be copying and pasting code, having to tell a developer to edit your website, push code up and down. With Google Tag Manager, you can do a lot of things. So from this web stream, this is what we need to use Google Tag Manager to install a Google Analytics account on a website, to install Google Analytics on a website using Google Tag Manager. After you created your data stream, all you need is a measurement ID. This is the thing that is very, very important to you. So let me go to my Google Tag Manager account. This is my Google. You will see the Google Tag Manager account that was created specifically for this website. If you are yet to watch the video on how I created the Google Tag Manager account, I'm going to put the link up there. I will encourage you to check it out on how you can install Google Tag Manager. So this Google Tag Manager was created specifically for this website. So the first thing you need to do once you come here, is to go to tags. Can you see that it is the website? You go to tags. Once you go to tag, click on new tag. Can you see that it is a fresh one? Click on new tag. Just name your tag. GA4. You can name it GA4. GA4 configuration. GA4. GA4. Just give it GA4 config for naming sake. Then you click on tag configuration. You don't choose universal analytics. Universal analytics is for GA3. So this is what you are working with. If you are installing Google Analytics on a website using Google Tag Manager. If you want to create event or create conversion, track conversion, this is what you will choose using Google Tag Manager on your website. If you are creating Google Ads conversion tracking, this is what you will use. If you are creating Google Ads remarketing, this is what you will use. If you want to link Google Tag Manager to your website using Google Optimize, using Google Tag Manager, this is what you will use. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to click on Google Analytics GA event. No, oh, this is not what I'm sorry. This is not what I need. I'm not creating an event here because there's no Google Analytics on the website here, so the event will not fire. You just click on GA4 configuration. Once you click on GA4 configuration, you come here. You come back to your Google Analytics. Copy this measurement ID. Copy this measurement ID. You don't need this. I don't need to have a built-in variable. No. Just paste your measurement ID here. Paste your measurement ID here. Then move down to triggers. That is, where do you want it to trigger? The triggering, that is this tag you are creating, where do you want it to fire? So I want it to fire on all pages. Then you come to this section, then you click on all pages. So this means that Google Analytics will fire. This means this measurement ID, this Google Analytics will fire on all pages. And you need to select this. I'm not using a server. I'm not doing server-side tracking here. So you click send a page view event when this configuration loads. So it will fire on all pages. Any Google Analytics will fire with this measurement ID using this measurement string that you have here on this website. So going forward, any tracking that I'm setting up, any activity that is happening on my website with this tag configuration and this set up and the way I set up this trigger is going to fire on all page on my website. So going forward, I'm going to create several videos that will show you how Google Analytics is collecting data for me on this my particular website, and it is through setting up this Google Analytics, this simple setup, setting up Google Analytics, connecting Google Analytics to a website using Google Tag Manager. All I need to do next is to click on save. I want to let you know that what is important to you, what is important to you is the measurement ID. It is this measurement ID that is very, very important to you after you've created your string. So let's go to the preview mode. Let's go to the preview mode in Google Tag Manager, the preview mode. Let's look at the preview mode. Then we bring our website into the preview mode. You want to check, bring the website into the preview mode. Then click on this. So can you see? I don't know why it opened in the new screen. Can you see that my tag assistant has connected? Can you see debug information is connected? So let me go to the next tab. I don't know why it went to this place. So can you see that it is connected? So can you see now? Basically, what I did, the reason why I use preview mode here is for me to know if the Google Analytics tag that I set up, or me connecting Google Analytics to my website using Google Tag Manager is working perfectly. That is the reason why I click on this preview mode after I've set up my tags and set up my trigger that is to fire on all pages. So you go to preview, your preview will load here. Once your preview pop up, put in the website you want to track, you are trying to track, put in the website there and check if it will fire. So can you see tags fired? Can you see that my GA4 configuration has fired? This is it on my website, Real Life Products UK. Can you see it? So this is the tag that fired. This is the Google Analytics GA4 configuration that fired once on my website. So all I need to do, so let's check the GTM. This is the GTM. Can you see the GTM? This is the Google Tag Manager that did the work. So that's how you can know. So if it does not fire, if it is not working perfectly, you will see that this tag, this GA4 config, can you see the GA4 config? It will not fire. That is just it. It will not fire. So thank you very much for learning with me today. I really appreciate. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will encourage you to do that because I will be sharing valuable insights in the digital marketing world, how you can better use your digital analytics skills, digital marketing skills to help your business. So as a freelancer, this is the right channel for you. As a digital marketing working in an agency, this is the right channel for you. Going forward, I'm going to be walking you through different series of steps in my subsequent videos on how you can track forms using Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager, how you can track button clicks, how you can track conversion, anything that matters to you. I'm going to be creating videos on that going forward. Thank you. If you are yet to subscribe, I will encourage you to do that. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.